Subscribe now. LG V30 smartphone was launched in August 2017. The phone comes with a 6.0-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1440 pixels by 2880 pixels. Qualcomm Snapdragon 835. It comes with 4 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 200 GB via a microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the LG V30 packs a 16-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 5-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The LG V30 runs Android 7.1.2 and is powered by a 3300 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 151.70 by 75.40 by 7.30, high-text width x thickness, and weigh 158.00 grams. The LG V30 is a single SIM, GSM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC and headphones. Sensors on the phone include proximity sensor, accelerometer and ambient light sensor.